Ever wondered how to make the perfect southern fried green tomatoes? The secret lies in the marriage of tangy green tomatoes and a crispy golden crust. Today we're going to unravel this culinary mystery step by step. First things first, gather 4 large green tomatoes and slice them into 1/2 inch thick rounds. Now for the all-important coating, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 beaten egg, and 1 cup of cornmeal mixed with a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Start by coating each tomato slice in flour. This will help the rest of the ingredients to stick. Next, dip these flour-dusted slices into your buttermilk and egg mixture. This will act as a glue for your final layer. Lastly, dredge your slices through the cornmeal mixture. This will create that iconic crispy exterior we're after. Now, heat enough vegetable oil in a skillet for frying. Once it's at the right temperature, cook each tomato slice until they're golden brown, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't forget to let them rest on a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. When you're ready to serve these fried green tomatoes, remember they're best enjoyed hot. They're delicious on their own or with a side of remoulade sauce or a simple yogurt dip. And there you have it, Southern fried green tomatoes. A timeless classic right in your kitchen. Now it's your turn. Give this recipe a whirl and don't forget to share your culinary adventures. Stay tuned for more delightful recipes that will tickle your taste buds and warm your heart. Until then, happy cooking.